Hello resin artists, in this video we're going to make some pretty snowflake earrings on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. First we're going to need our UV resin, a little stick to stir the resin with, some mica powder, a scoop for the mica powder, our little cup silicone mold with these earrings, some snowflake confetti, some hardware, some silver foil, some gloves, and we can get started. First we're going to put a little bit of resin in our silicone cup, add a little bit of blue mica powder, and then a little bit of black. We're going to stir it up really well because we want to see kind of a darker blue than just royal blue. Then we're going to put some more resin in a silicone cup and we're going to add our foil to it. The foil comes in a big piece, but if you take a stick and you kind of move it around, it tears off into little tiny pieces and it looks awesome in the resin. Then we're going to pour the blue resin into the earring mold. I kind of eyeballed how much to use. I just kept adding drops until I was happy. Then we're going to add our silver flakes. I added the silver flakes more towards the bottom of the mold so I can put clear resin in the middle. Before adding the light, I do recommend using some type of a torch or a heat gun to kind of help get the air bubbles out. Once we're happy, we're going to add UV light. Next, we're going to take the earrings out of the mold, which is my favorite part. These turned out really nice. I'm super excited. Then we're going to add our snowflake confetti onto the earring. And last, we're going to cover that snowflake and the top layer of the earring with some resin. I'm going to use my rubber thingy to push the resin to the edges so that it looks nice and even. Then we're going to blast it again with some more UV light. And here we have it, some beautiful blue and silver snowflake earrings. All we have left to do is add some hardware. I like to put an extra jump ring between the first one and the actual earring loop because it kind of helps it face forward a little bit better. And this is what the first one looks like. I think it turned out amazing. The possibilities that we can do with these earrings and confetti are endless. It's time to card these up. I always love to look at the last view with the card because it just kind of brings it all together. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for more ideas, please check out my other ones.